Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing a Laravel 9 e-commerce series. So now guys, in this video we are going to show the featured products. Okay, so as we have shown the new arrivals, so same way we are going to show our featured products. So guys, first let's go to our dashboard and let's check in the add or edit product. So I have clicked on add product and here you go on details. So we find the trending option, right? So same way we are going to create one feature option. So if we check that, it should show in a features page. So guys, now let's get started. So first let's go to this path, product create or edit product. So at that place we are going to set a checkbox with the name featured. Okay, so guys, as simple. Now let's get back. Let me close everything. So first up guys, let's go to routes and go to web.php. So you move to your admin prefix and inside admin prefix, let's move to the product. So here is our product create. Okay, and let's go to this create function at product controller. So let's move there guys at product controller. So we reach there at the create function. So we are here at the create function and let's go to this blade file. So inside that blade file we need to find. Okay, so now guys, let's move top and go to the nav tabs. So this is our nav tab list, home SEO tag details, which is available over here, home SEO tag details, product image and color. So now guys, we are on the details tab and let's move to that is the third tab over here, so which is detail tab. Okay, let me open this side, collapse and search for the trending. Perfect. So we got the trending guys, and now let's copy that and paste below. So we pasted and now let's name this as featured. Okay, and let's name this checkbox as a featured. Done. So we have named it as a checkbox, and now guys, let's go back to the edit blade.php, product edit blade.php, and same we have to set up the column. Okay, so let me close the sidebar and you need to move inside your detail tab. Okay, details tab pane, and then let's copy this and again paste it. Done. And now you need to name as featured. Let's copy this and again input field name should be featured. Okay, so make sure all spelling is correct, and here also will name as featured, product featured. If it is 1, then you're going to check, else not, empty. Done guys, and everything is going to be same. So now guys, let's get back to the product controller at the store function. While we store the product, while we create the product, we need to update that. Okay, so as you are updating the trending option, let me show you here, it's the trending. So same, you're going to copy and paste, and you need to check once the featured input name. Let's copy this featured and make sure the both the spellings in edit and create, both blade files, it is same spelling. And now guys, let's update here as featured and here also as featured. Okay, when it is true, then you're going to set 0 or 1. So same condition goes with your update also. Okay, so while this is while storing the record, let's go to update function while updating the product. Okay, so here you see we have a trending, right? So below this only we will keep and update it. As simple. Now done. Everything is clear guys, and now we need to set this featured in your database table, in your products table. So let's go to our database guys, inside the products table. So right now I'm in the products table here. See, products, and here is a trending column. So let's add one more column as featured. So let me just add one after the trending column. Okay, so this is my after trending. Click go. Let's paste here, and it's going to be a tiny integer. Let's tell tiny int and the value is 4, and you need to set this default as defined 0. By default it should be 0, and let's give a comment here guys, like when it equal to 1 is equal to featured and 0 equal to not featured. Okay, as simple. Now guys, let's save this. Cool. So you see guys, that featured option is added over here, and let's browse it. So by default it will be 0. Okay, all the values of this feature is going to be 0. So here you see in the featured option that it is 0 by default. Okay, perfect. So now guys, let's update the product model also. Get back to your product controller. You need to go to your product model. Let me go over there. So first step, let's move to app models, and here you move to your product.php model. And after your trending column, let's add that featured. Okay, so we have added that featured, and make sure you are adding in the migration also. So while you refresh, you can update that. So let me go to migration and check for the products table. So here we go to the products table, and we have that trending. Okay, so let's copy and paste again, and paste the spelling as featured. Let's copy from here again and paste it. So paste, and here paste. Done guys. So by default it is B0, and comment we have added. Done guys. And now let's close this everything. Let's close everything. Done. So guys, this was a featured setup in our products table. So all set. And now guys, I just want to make this first two products, ID number 1 and 4, to be featured. So let's make it 1, which is true. And again, I want this product to be true. And if you want, you can just update from here only. Let me view the product and edit the product. So I have viewed the product, and let's go with edit ID 1. That is MI Note 7 product. So by default, we have updated this as 1 now. So it should be checked. Okay. So let's go to details. Here you see that feature is checked. Perfect. So everything is working fine guys. And now let's get started to view our featured products in our front end side. Cool. So now guys, let's get back to our routes at beginning web.php. So here we copy and paste again, and let's tell featured product URL. So FEATURED featured products. And now guys, you need to create a function. So let's tell featured products. Let's copy this and go to a front end controller. So let's search for that. Control E and find that. So we get here, and now create a function with the name featured product function, and we'll copy the function name. What is that? Featured products. Let's copy that, and here paste the function name. And now guys, let's remove the type, and you need to return here like as you have written for new arrivals. So what we'll do, we'll copy this complete code of new arrival and paste here. Done. And now guys, let's name this variable as featured products and send the featured products. Here we are going to add a where condition, where I'm going to get the featured. Okay, so what is that column name? We have just created FEATURED. Okay, featured. Let me copy that and paste here. Inside this, you are going to get only the true one. Okay, so which is equal to 1. If this featured is 1, then only you are going to get, and show from the latest wise. And we'll remove this take of 16. We don't need to get only 16. We have to get all the featured products. Okay, and just change this, the page name featured products. Okay, so now guys, we get to our resource. Where is it? Let me, okay, go to the resource, views, front end. Inside front end we have pages. Inside pages we'll create a new file with the name featured products.blade.php. All set guys. And now let's copy from the new arrival blade whatever we have designed, everything, all the for each code, because we need to show the products only, right? So we have already done the code over here to show the name, everything. Okay, so let's copy everything from the new arrival page. Let's copy and let's close this and paste in your featured products. As simple, guys. And now let's begin from the top. Here you will show like featured products. Okay, and change the heading as featured products. All set. And now you need to get the variable. And now let's get the variable from the front end controller. So what is that variable we have passing? Featured products. So here it is, and you paste the variable name, that is featured products. Perfect. So featured product of product item, we got it. And you show that no featured products available. Okay, and here you mention shop more. That's it, guys. And now let's copy this route, featured products, and search for it. So let's go here, paste it, hit enter. Perfect. So you see that title is changed to featured product, and here featured products. So these are the two products which we are featuring here. Okay, so that is here. Perfect. So guys, we have successfully done with the feature products. And now guys, let's continue next video with the new topic. In this video, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share.